Shalom, shalom, my brothers and sisters. And to the ones who are chosen ones, I have something that I want to say. It had caught my attention that most people who say that they Christians are not really Christians. And let me tell you why. What had caught my attention was they show a picture of the true Messiah, which was a dark-skinned man. Then they had another picture beside it that was Caesar Borgia. And what appalled me was people was saying, oh, it doesn't matter what skin color he was. We should just remember who he was, correct? That is true. But to remember what Joshua really did, you have to remember how he looked it too. Since y'all want to pull that card. Hair like wool, feet as burnt bras. He was dark skinned, he was black. That's like me telling you, hey, the gas is 99 cents. But when you pump it, it goes to $5. I'm lying to y'all. That's the same thing that was lying to us. So it does matter. And you can't tell me otherwise. And if you don't want to remember the true Messiah, the true rabbi, as his own description, you don't believe in the Messiah. And you can wear your crosses, which is the crosses that y'all wear is idolatry. And some of the crosses that y'all do be wearing is Freemason. Yeah. Some of the crosses that you wear is satanic. And that's why I wear on crosses. Yahshua never died on the cross. He died on the tree, if you read the Bible. He got lynched. Yeah. Yeah. But to pass that on, it's about to be harvest season. To my fellow brothers, it's about to be harvest season. I really need y'all to be very, very careful. Because these hoes, these witches, love this type of season right here. And your little fake ass Christians gonna dress up like demons, the devil, witches, goons, goblins. And for y'all single mothers who dress y'all kids for Halloween, know that you sending your sons and daughters to the fire to a demon called Moloch. Yeah. Even when you give them candy for Halloween, yeah, you send your sons and daughters to the fire of Moloch. The same with these single mothers who kill their babies in abortion clinics. You just sent your sons and daughters to a demon called Moloch. You didn't know that, did you? So, all the babies that you killed, because the doctor didn't kill them, you killed them. And most of the time, the people who work at the clinics who do that shit, they are witches. And they drink the blood of your little unborn children. So, since y'all women are serial killers, when you die, and if you don't make it up to here, up, if you make it down, the devil's going to torment you, show you a picture of your sons and daughters when they're supposed to be out the womb, and how they were supposed to be when they grew up. Because the Most High said he knew you before you was even in the womb of the belly to make leaders and prophets of the nation. So, the next time you don't want a kid, try safe sex. And not with a fucking condom either. Close your fucking legs and repent. Because the daughters of Zion has strayed away. Y'all got the heaven gapes when you open your legs. And y'all choose the men that y'all choose. The same with men, we choose the woman that we choose. But all we could do is shoot our shots. And if we shoot and hit, we hit. If we shoot and miss, we keep it going. But, my brothers, please be careful in harvest season. Because they will take a piece of hair of your beard. Or your bodily fluids. Or take a picture of you and do love spells. But only gonna work for majority who don't have the Most High by their side. Because if you do have the Most High by their side, you don't really gotta worry about it. Because they're gonna backfire. It might hit one of their closest relatives. Or it might hit them. But to y'all fake ass Christians, know the true Messiah of the description that it says. It's no reason you should ever tell somebody that the Messiah was olive. Olive? What the fuck is the olive? What, olive green? Cause that's an olive. What, the oil inside in my house? That's olive. So the Messiah was our skin complexion. And for the women who date us, you better look at us like we the Messiahs, because we are the closest ones to him. Since the Most High is above the Messiah and the Messiah is above us. And we are above you. And if you don't want to be obedient to your man and submissive to your man, that means you ain't submissive to the Most High and the Messiah. Because you can't skip us to get to the Messiah. The same way we can't skip the Messiah to get to the Most High. You need a man to lead you and direct you. Your fruits, women, is your children. That's how you can be fruitful. And being submissive to your man and cooperate to your man. You are his helpmeet. Not his damn dynamite or his bone. You know? And let me correct myself, because I know I said two of them wrong. His dynamite or bomb. You're supposed to be his peace. You're supposed to help that man build. And if that brother say he want kids, you should never stop his purpose to be fruitful and populate this earth. If I tell a woman I want 12 kids and she give me 4 and she don't want to give me more, guess what? I'm going to get me another wife. And I'm going to keep on being fruitful and populated. Because you is not going to stop what the Most High ordained me to do. And I don't need your permission, again, to be a man. So, to end this, know the true Messiah. The Most High is love and peace, but don't forget he's a man of war too. And our brothers of the 12 tribes of Israel is going to soon rule this land. So that means by land. Shoot, in Liberia, they asking for the chosen ones right now to go to that land. I'm soon going to do that too, because I don't give a fuck how much money that you have on this earth. You could pass it down to your kids and grandkids, but if they don't have no land, they don't have shit. Because once I die, I have my land, I know for a fact, when I'm in the trust info, they cannot take my land. You understand? So shalom to the ones who are chosen ones, who is in this narrow path. Because this narrow path is getting thinner, thinner, and thinner. And hell is getting larger, larger, and larger. Because y'all love this Babylon system. I don't love it. I want to get off the grid. And I'm soon going to do that. Soon. And we're going to build with like-minded people. And create our own nation, which is Israelites. Bloodline, not religion. And I don't care if you are a Muslim, if you are my skin complexion, or if you Mexicans, Puerto Ricans and Cubans, Jamaicans and Haitians, Indians of any sort, you are my brothers and sisters. And if you are a Gentile, which is white, and if you want to follow the same God that I serve, you are considered my brothers and sisters. But if you want to continue to be in these holidays, these rituals, tarot cards, crystals, these witches and warlocks, you are the devil. And you chose your side. You can't serve two masters. Shalom and peace.